In this video, we will be learning how to set custom control descriptions for other scheduled accounts. When accounts are scheduled as other scheduled accounts and the controls are user-defined, it can be difficult to determine an appropriate control description for a particular entry. For accounts that are not heavily used, such as fixed asset or accrual accounts, it can be useful to utilize LightYear's Other Scheduled Accounts window to define a custom control description for a specific account control combination. To get started, click on the Accounting drop-down at the top of the main window. Open the Chart of Accounts submenu, then click on Other Scheduled Accounts. This will open the Other Scheduled Accounts window. Once the window has opened, click Find. Type the control and account numbers in the corresponding fields. For this example, we are going to enter a description for the control ROC and the account 2710. Click OK or hit the middle Enter key on your keyboard to search. The Other Scheduled Accounts window will automatically populate with the information associated with that account control combination. To add a custom description, click Edit. Once in edit mode, click in the description field and enter the desired information. For our example, we are going to enter a description of landscaping new building. If you'd like to include additional information, tab to or click in the comment box to add an optional comment. Note: the aging date is for your reference only. It does not determine or change anything in the system. Click OK in the top right corner to save your changes, then close the window. Now, if we rerun the schedule, we should see the custom description we just entered. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to set custom control descriptions for other scheduled accounts.